Hey there guys, my name is Marcus Tonelius, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily buy Bitcoin in Mexico. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get here on a Coinbase, and thanks to the link I gave you in the description, if you register, you will get $10 for free when you're gonna buy 100 Bitcoin. So $100 of worth of Bitcoin. Then you'll be here in Coinbase dashboard, and you want to simply click on a Bitcoin, buy, let's go 100 euro. And now you can buy Bitcoin, pay with your bank or your wallet. You can simply preview the buy here, and you're gonna see it here. Then buy now. You can sell it also, and when you come here to portfolio, you can see euro here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See you.